Yeah, we're gonna try and request this payout. Because if I didn't have faith in God that I would make it, I would have quit by now. This is where the work starts. This is where it starts to get fun. Today is the day. Today is the day, man. So today we took this trade. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm telling you, my strategy is just so clean. I wonder if my executions is still here. I knew I was getting close to a payout, so previous day low is not what I targeted, even though I knew we had to come there. Why did we have to come to previous day low? Well, we had this previous day high SMT along with another one from today that's kind of not clean because of YM's ugly as shit. But we had this volume imbalance right here. I wanted to see if ES or NQ or shit, even YM, come down to this 1800 candle and create an SMT and then start to push up to London highs. And then, like I said, the fact that we didn't create an SMT in this area, I was like, yeah, we're probably not going to reverse the London high at all. We're probably just going to dip down the previous day low. At 950, you can see YM came up and took out this 850 high. NQ and ES did not take it out, right? We also had shifted structure like a motherfucker on the 5 minute and the 15 minute. We had this fair value gap right here. Once we got this 5 minute SMT, all I was waiting was for displacement on the 1 minute. And then I targeted, it looks like I was targeting this BPR, but I was not. I was specifically simply targeting enough money to pass my, not pass my account, to get my payout to be eligible. That's it, because we got the 40% consistency rule. You feel me? I needed a certain amount. I needed like 600. We made 7. And this was a great trade, I'm not gonna lie. And this is what happens when you follow your system. You become process oriented. You stop focusing on how much you're making, even though I just said I was targeting a monetary number. But I waited on my system. I was patient. I was able to adapt to price action and adapt my plan, my pre-market plan accordingly to get this. Yeah, we're gonna try and request this payout. Look how long I've had this account, bro. 63 days. 63 days, bro. This is straight perseverance, bro. No cap, bro. My first trading day was on May 29th. Look at how long I was at break even, bro. Look at this shit. From May 29th all the way to goddamn July 9th. Let's go ahead. Request this. I could do ACH, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna take longer. Yo. It got approved that fast? Yeah, I could have blown my account twice this month. I was able to stay somewhat composed and not blow the account. You feel me? So this was all glory to God, bro. I mean, it's always gonna be all glory to God, but this would not have been possible without God and my faith in God. Because if I didn't have faith in God that I would make it, I would have quit by now. You feel me? But yeah, this is just a little $1,200 payout. I'm proud that I finally hit the milestone, that first payout, but we still got a lot of work to do, man. My strategy's win rate in terms of my back tested data over the last 7 months, over 7 months of data, my bad, is 75% with the average RR of 2.1. My actual win rate is closer to 50. So we have a lot to gain in terms of our win rate. The reason why there's such a big gap there is because I still struggle with following my rules every single day. Now, this month has been my best month in terms of following my rules and staying disciplined and staying process oriented and staying patient. We still have to earn that consistency day by day by day. We have to earn it, bro. It's not something that you just achieve and then you're good, bro. No, you have to earn it every single day. You have to stay focused every single day, because one day can fuck up your entire shit. And I will show y'all an example of this. One day can fuck up your entire shit. July 1st, we were down 700. Why is that? Well, if you take a look at these numbers and you do the fucking math, my average loss is around 250, 260. If I would have just took my loss, bro, it's because I broke my rules when I took that first loss. So I felt angry, and I was like, I already broke my rules. Fuck it, let's just go on tilt. It wasn't logical at all. It was emotional. But I went on tilt, and I ended up losing, what, 900 more than I was supposed to. But guess what? After this month was over, I was only down $100. And I knew it was because of this day. If I would have just stayed disciplined and accepted, okay, I broke my rules today and I took a loss, but you know what? We're not going to let it spiral. We're going to stay calm. Just get off the charts. Fuck it, bro. Let's focus on longevity. If I would have just did that day, this month would have been profitable as well. I would have been up like what? 800 for this month, plus whatever I made in July. I would have been had a payout. But that alone, that right there showed me this shit is serious, and one single day can fuck up your entire month. One day, if you just lose sight of the vision, if you lose sight of the process and you start thinking about the outcomes. And like I told y'all, it almost happened to me. Look at this, 8 trades, 5 trades. These are real numbers. All this is what I like about MFF2. It kind of shows you exactly what actually happened. I don't think I took 2 trades here though. But I mainly take 1 trade a day. But I kind of crashed out here and I kind of crashed out here as well. I could have blew my account on either one of these days. So there's a bit of luck mixed in with this, even though I don't believe in luck. It was really all God. It all happened for a purpose. So we're not there yet. We're not there yet. I'm not just about to go crazy and start spending on hella fundies and try to scale up and shit. I gotta stay calm. I gotta stay humble as fuck, because this really doesn't mean nothing. This is like the beginning of the journey, bro. This is where the work starts. This is where it starts to get fun. You see, we need 5 more days of $100 in profit. I already had 1,500. Even if I got these 5 winning days, I still couldn't even withdraw the full amount. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably literally just gonna risk $100 for the next 5 days to lock in another payout. Grab 1,200, and then I'm gonna start scaling. I wonder how many accounts I actually failed. 5 accounts? What the fuck? How was I up 2? What the fuck? Hold up, bro. I must have crashed out that day, bro. May 13th. I wonder if I posted that. Jesus Christ, that's terrible. This shit should have been passed, bro. I was over halfway there, and I blew it in a day? Damn, that's fucking trash. Did I fail this on the first day? Yeah, I failed this in 1 day, bro. So I have 7 failed accounts over here, bro. Alright, man, so you can see the time. I just got out the shower. Goddamn, cook some food. I ain't eat yet, though. I'm about to go to the gym first. But apparently there was some other stuff I had to fill out. Just got this email about 20 minutes ago. So yeah, same day approval, same day payout. But I think my bank account is still getting approved, so we probably not gonna be able to get that till tomorrow, which is fine. It feels good to finally get a payout, man. That is the end of this video, man. First payout, again, it's July 31st, around 8 p.m., 2025. We're gonna be at 10K months before the end of the year. I'm saying that today on July 31st. We're gonna have a 10K month before the year ends. But that's all I got for y'all, man. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but salute to y'all. Stay down, man. This shit is possible, bro. I'ma catch y'all.